Very good morning, children. So today I have come out with the grammar book, children, for you. Okay, we have a little bit pending to do in the grammar. Okay, take out your grammar book with your pencil and your eraser, children. Okay, whatever I write it on the board, copy it in your grammar book, children. Okay, yes, we'll start up now. Come to page number 23. We are not still completed that. We'll complete it now. Okay, yes, it is page number 23, children. Okay. Yes, here is we add es to some nouns to make them plural form. Okay. So they have shown you an example. There is a tomato. We need to add, if it is more than one, we need to tell it as tomatoes. Okay. So for a single tomato, we tell it as one. Just I'll draw a small picture. For example, yes, this is tomato. So this is only 1 year. Okay, here we are having yes, how many are there? Totally 5 are there. So here we should tell it as tomatoes. So this is more than one. Here only one you can see. This is more than one. So here 5 are there. This is only tomato. If you see a one thing, you call it as one book, one tomato, one chocolate, like that. If you see many, what you tell? You tell it as tomatoes, books, chocolates, like that, children. Okay. Yes. Now come to the third main, children. Third main. That is third main, page number 23. Yes. The first one is, they've given you the heading as add es to make the nouns plural. So we need to add es. Okay. So the first one is brush, brush. So it is single, only one brush. You call it as one. Okay. So you are seeing more. If you see more, what you need to tell? Brushes. So we are adding es. See, this is the one es. We are adding es to the things now. So we are seeing more than one. Okay. Box. Boxes. 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 Third one. Potato. Potato is potatoes. Without fail, you need to add es, children. Got it? Potatoes is what you call it in Kannada as aloogadde. That is called as potato in English. Okay. Yes. The fourth one is dress. Dresses. So if you go for a shop, what do? You don't buy one dress. Okay. You buy 2 to 3 dresses. No. So, mama will buy you 2 jeans pants and 3 t-shirts like this. Those things all she buy you, no? Yes. Dresses. Come down to the next one. Fifth one. That is watch. The watch what your daddy and mommy wears while they're going for the office. Okay. Watches. So, if it is many at home, if you have many watches, like mommy is having 2 or 3 watches, you can call it as watches. Understood, no, children? Yes. Come to the sixth one. Sixth one is bush. 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 Bush is the one. It is a small plant covered with many leaves. Okay. So that is called as bush. Bushes. Bushes means it will be bigger. Okay, bigger and many. If you go to a park or if you go to open land, there you can see many plants and trees will be there. It will be like completely covered with the leaves, no? That is called as bushes. Okay. Yes, bench. Bench. Where do you see bench? Yes, in classroom. So, if it is one, you tell it as bench. If it is many, you tell it as benches. Okay, next is glass. Glass, the one you drink water or milk, whatever is that. So, you will be holding one glass in your hand, one glass of water, one cup of milk, like that. So, if you go to a function or any function like many ceremonies, those things all, if you go, no, what you see there, many glasses they will be kept, right? No, so once you're sitting for the food in a marriage function or a naming ceremony or a birthday party, wherever you go, if you see many glasses, they'll keep it, they'll arrange for you, right? No, yes, we completed this one. Next one, come to the fourth main now. Fourth main also is almost little bit familiar to this only, same to this only, children. Okay. So that one is we are adding IES. Okay. This one we added ES here. We added ES. Now we are adding IES. Okay. These three letters will be added to the answers down. Okay. The fourth main is add IES to make the nouns plural. Okay, the first one. The first one is lady. So what is the answer we need to write? Ladies. L-A-D-I-E-S. Ladies. Okay. So if it is single, one lady. If it is more than that, it is ladies. I-E-S should be added, children. That's all. Okay. Come to the second one. Cherry. Cherry. Cherry is a fruit. What you see on a cake, and real fruit also is there, children. Cherry. Okay. So this is cherries. So you're seeing many means, you should call it as cherries. Okay. IES. Carefully. Don't write only ES. IES should be added. Okay. Next is army. Army. Armies. So army is the one, the military person goes and fights, and they give a training for them how to go in a war and how to fight in a war. That is called as army. Huh? Okay. So army, armies. Okay. Country. Country is the one where we are living. Which is our country? India is our country. So, not only India, there are many countries, children. Okay. So, you need to call it as CUNTRIES. Countries. Okay. Not only India, children, many countries are there. USA, UK, Russia, many places are there. Dubai, those are all countries, children. Okay. So, India is our country and other things are countries. Okay. Yes. Come to the fifth one now. Yes. Again, fifth one is, we'll continue that IES only. Yes. Story. Story. So, if your grandma is telling a story for you. Okay, 1 minute, children. Sorry. There's one more is there. I forgot to continue. Okay. Yes, city. City. Cities. So, where you're staying? You're staying in a Bangalore city. Okay. If you leave the Bangalore and go to the other place, it is a one more city. Like if you go from here to Hosur or Electronic City, those things all, that is a small cities will be there. Now this is Bangalore city, and if you go outside, you can see many cities like that. Okay. Yes. Next one. Story. If your grandmother is there at home, what she does? She tells you beautiful stories for you, no? If stories means one story she tells. If she continues telling 2 or 3 more stories, that will become as stories. Okay. Next one, fairy. Who is this? Fairy. Have you seen the cartoons? All you may see, no? Okay, you may seeing it. Fairies. F-A-I-R-I-E-S. Fairies. Okay. She'll be holding a star in the hand, and she just does like this. Everything will change. Okay. She is a fairy. And in the previous class also, I taught you about the woodcutter and the fairy story, children. In that she comes, no? The fairy, she gives you a lot of blessings like that. If you do good things, she will give you a lot of blessings. She is fairy. Okay. Yes. Next is family. Family. Family is the one what you're staying now with your dad, mom, father, mother, grandmother, grandfather, and with your brother or sister who might be with you. That is a small family. That is called as nuclear family. The people who are staying 4 or 5 people are called as nuclear family. Okay. Yes. Families. Families is the big family. Okay. Like large numbers will be there. Many members will be there, like aunt, uncle, what you call as chikappa, dodappa, chikama, dodama, atte, mava, everybody will be there in the families. Okay. This is big families. 9th one. Come to the 9th one. Puppy. Okay. Puppy. It's very cute. It's a beautiful animal and it's a cute animal also. So if you see one on the street, it is a puppy. If you see many, like more than one, you call it as puppies. P-U-P-P-I-E-S. Nowadays in phone, you can see, children, many videos will be coming out of about the puppies. Okay. So you can see very cute puppies. Pony. Next one is pony. So, ponies, P-O-N-I-E-S, ponies, okay. Yes, pony is a baby horse. So, horse baby is called as a pony, okay. So, if you see many horses there, small baby horses, you call it as ponies, okay. Yes, we completed this one. Now, one more main is there, that is we are adding VES now. Okay. They have shown you in the example in the last ending, the end of the page, they have showed you the example. We add VES to make some nouns plural. So, turn up to page number 24 now. Turn up to page number 24, children. Page number 24. Yes. This is the 5th main. We are adding VES. So, ES is over, IES is over. Now, come to VES. Okay. Yes, there are different things and different meanings are there, children, for that. Okay, you need to write it very clearly and properly also. Okay. Yes, the first one is THIEF, thief. So, it is a single person. Thief is a one person. Now, if you see many people, you need to write it as THIEVES, thieves. So, more than one, like 4 or 5 members will be there to rob a house. They go to rob a house there. That time you can see 5 members will be there. No, they are called as thieves. Pronunciation is very important. Okay, thief, THIEF, thief. This is thieves. VES will come. Okay. Next is loaf. LOAF. Loaf means if you bring mommy will give you amount money and she tell you to bring a loaf of bread. Okay. So what do? You go to a bakery and you bring a loaf of bread. So that is called as one. Okay. If you see many, you need to tell it as Loaves, loaves. Okay. If you go to a bakery, what do you see? Many bread loaves will be kept there inside the glass box. Right now, this is one and this is many. It is called as loaves. Loaves, loaves. Okay, next is wolf. Wolf. Wolf is a wild animal where you find it in the forest. Okay, forest or in the zoo also you can find. It look like a dog itself, children. Okay, so but it is a wild animal. Dog is a pet animal. Okay, you can keep it at home. You can pamper it. You can love it. It will give you also the love. Okay, but wolf is a wild animal, children. Okay, so one is called as wolf. Many, WOL, VES, wolves. Okay, you need to take out F and add VES. That's all, children. Okay, yes, the fourth one, calf. Calf is a baby animal of a cow. Okay, cow's baby is called as calf. So if it is one, you call it as calf. If it is many, calves. CAVES. Okay. CALVES. Calves. Okay. Yes, come to the next one. Fifth one. Yes. Fifth is half. 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 So half is like just take it like a piece of cake. Okay, mummy has brought one piece of cake and she's dividing into two pieces. Okay, half she cuts and she gives to your brother and for you. So that is called as half. Understood? And one more thing, if you have a big pencil with you, means mummy has brought a new pencil. So what she will do? You will keep on sharpening and you will waste the pencil. She will cut it into half pencil, broke it into two parts, and she will give you two pencils to the school. Okay, so that is called as half. Okay, this is called as halves. HALVES, halves. Okay, next is wife. Wives. WIVES, wife. Wives means wife is the one husband and wife. Okay, like daddy and mummy. He is husband and mummy is the wife of daddy, like that. Okay, if it is single, wife. If it is more, we tell them as wives. Okay, shelf. SHELF, shelf. Shelf, where do you find it? You find it in the classroom. Yes, books will be kept inside the shelf. No? Yes, that is shelves. 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 Shelves means more than one. Understood? Next is knife. Knife. Knife is the one instrument what you see in the kitchen to cut the vegetables, fruits, many things they do in the knife, right? No? Yes, knife. If more than one it is there, we should tell it as knives. Okay? Yes, the VES is very important, children. Okay? Whatever we give the heading, see to that and you need to write the answer very carefully. Understood? Yes. Now, lastly, we come to the sixth main. Sixth main, we need to do a small main that is related to S, ES and IES. Understood? Yes. Come now. Come to the sixth main now. That is the same page number 24. Page number 24, sixth main. Yes, the heading is write the plurals of these nouns in the right columns. Yes, now first one they given you baby. So I need to write the columns now here. Okay. How many columns are there? 3 columns are there. Okay. Copy it very neatly, children, without making a single mistake. I want you to copy inside the book. Okay. Take a help of elders. I told you many times in the class, don't sit alone and do it. Take a help of anybody else. Yes, how many dashes are there? 4 dashes are there. First one is S. Second one is ES. And the last one is IES. 2, 3, 4. Okay. Yes. Shall we start now? Yes, the first one. Baby. So where just now I taught you that one. Baby. Yes. ES. So you need to write it as BAB. Sorry. IES will come. Yes, we should write it in the IES. BABIES. Babies. Okay. Next is box. Boxes. 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 Understood? City. So cities. In which one? It comes in. Yes, it comes in IES form. CITIES. Cities. If you want, you can turn the page and also you can write children. Okay. But carefully write the answer. Next is glass. Glasses. 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 Okay. Rose. It comes to yes. ROSES. That's all. Roses. Next is key. Again. KEYS. Keys. Cherry. It comes to IES. CHERRIES. Cherries. Okay. Boy. Boys. 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 Just add S, that's all. Potato. So it comes to ES. POTATOES. Potatoes. Got it? Apple. Apples. APPLES. Okay. Story. Stories. 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 The last one is brush. Brushes. 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 Right now? Yes. If you want, you can check in the backside page also. Is it right or not? Okay. Yes. Now come to the next page. That is 25. Page number 25. Once I start writing on the board, immediately you also write, children. Don't be late because we keep rubbing and we'll be going to the next main also. Okay. Yes, page number 25. Here, listen to your teacher as she reads these lines. Okay, this is the 7th main. There is a mango tree in the garden. Okay, there is a mango tree in the garden. The tree has many mangoes. Can you see in the picture? Mangoes are hanging in the tree. Okay, the tree has many mangoes. There is a monkey on the tree. Who is sitting? Monkey is sitting inside the tree. 2 boys are under the tree. You can see in the picture, 2 boys are standing below the tree. The monkey is giving them mangoes to eat. So see, the very good monkey, it is plucking the mangoes and giving it to the boys. Okay. Now, what we need to write it is here. Now, write tick or wrong in the box. There are 2 mango trees. They are given you There are 2 mango trees. So now it is not 2, it is only 1. So what you need to do, I'll just write the answer on the board. You will also just copy it in your book. Okay, the first one is put a wrong mark. Means it is false. There are 2 mango trees or 1 mango tree? 1 mango tree, yes. There are many mangoes on the tree. Yes, there are many mangoes on the tree. Put a tick mark. Okay. There is a monkey on the tree. Yes, there is a monkey on the tree. Put a tick mark again. Fourth one. There are 2 boys under the tree. Yes, again, it is correct. 2 boys are standing under the tree. The monkey is giving them 1 mango. No, it is wrong. The monkey is giving them 2 mangoes. It is holding 2 mangoes. You can see it very clearly. In right hand 1 mango is there and left hand 1 mango is there. So it is giving them 2 mangoes. Okay. So 2 is wrong statement and 3 are the correct statements, children. Okay. Yes, now we completed this picture, this one page. Okay, next. In the next class, I'll start up with the nouns, children. Okay, nouns, that is the gender form. Okay, the difference between a man and a woman, a baby and a thing. Okay, so now I'll complete it here, the grammar. Now I'm going to give you a homework that is in the textbook, children. Okay. The first semester textbook, you need to take out the first semester textbook. Come to page number 67. Okay. Yes. Sem 1 book. Page number 67. Okay. So, this is your homework. I'm giving you the homework part in the textbook itself, children. So it is very easy. You need to turn the backside pages, what all exercises I have done from the beginning. Check to that and you need to write it in this. Understood now? Yes, the section A, reading comprehension. Read the passage, then answer the question that follows. Okay. So now it is very easy. Okay. Neha is at home. She hears the sound of a flute. She looks out. She sees a balloon man. He has balloons of all colors, red, green, yellow, pink, blue, and white. Neha goes to her mother. She asks her for a balloon. Mother buys her a red balloon. Neha is very happy. Okay. Now you need to do one thing, children. Just sit with your daddy or either mommy or brother. Elder brother is there, means brother or sister. Sit with them, take a help of them, tell them to tell and give you, and you need to write the answers, children. Okay. This is the homework part. I'm giving you nearly 3 pages homework I'm giving you, children, in the textbook itself. So it is, everything is done in the previous pages, in the previous lessons from the beginning, what all lesson number 1 to lesson number 8. What all is there, you can check the answers in that and you can write it in this, children. Okay. So I just mentioned the page number. Do it, children. Okay. Page number 67, 68. Okay. And 69. These 3 pages are your homework. Take a help of your mommy or daddy. I told you. Okay. Do it very neatly, children. Okay. So 1, 2, 3. Yeah. 2, 3 question answers you need not to write. That is page number 70. You need not to write, children. Only 67, 68 and 69. These 3 pages here. You need to complete it. Understood, no? So I told you what is there in the previous lessons only. Those mains are only given here. See to that and write it very, very neatly, children. Okay. So I'll meet up you in the next class with the semester 2 book, children. We'll start up with a new lesson. That is this one, the magic carpet. Okay. It is a semester 2 textbook. The first lesson is the magic carpet. I'll come out with the new lesson from the next class. Okay. Now, whatever I taught you, grammar and the homework should be completed in the textbook, children. Okay. So we have completed SEM 1. So you can close this book and keep it aside. From next class, you can take out your semester 2 textbook, children. Okay. So I'll meet up you in the next class. Thank you so much, children.